In this tutorial, you will learn to use questions in your stories to help engage your reader. Usually, we ask questions to help us obtain knowledge, but these are not the type of questions I'm referring to here. The questions I'm referring to are often called rhetorical questions. These are questions that you ask but don't want answered. But why would you ask a question if you didn't want it answered? Well, questions can help to make a point. They often occur in conversations. What time do you call this? Am I made of money? How many times have I told you to put the dirty clothes in the laundry basket? They can also be used to get people to do or buy something. They often appear in adverts. Are you wondering where to take the kids this summer? Do you want a good night's sleep? They can help persuade someone to agree with your point of view. They're often used in debates and speeches. How would you like to be stuck in a cage all day? Do we want another world war? Why can't we wear what we want to school? Rhetorical questions are also great to use in your story writing. Here are 3 ways to include them. Number 1, use a series of questions to get your reader to think about what will happen next. In 1 minute and 33 seconds, Sally would be blasted into 1,000 pieces. Which wire did she need to cut? Red or blue? Or should she just take cover and hope for the best? Number 2, use a series of questions to help explain to your reader how your main character is feeling. As he quietly closed the front gate behind him, Asher suddenly stopped. Was it too late for him to back out? Could he come back in the morning? Should he just call the police instead? Number 3, use rhetorical questions to add humour, mood and character to your dialogue. There's no harm in asking, I thought, as I approached Mum with the holiday brochure. This place looks lovely, Mum. The hotel has even got a swimming pool. Do you think money grows on trees? She replied, her eyes darting back to the television. It seemed like I was facing another summer holiday at home. So, in conclusion, from now on, make sure that you use rhetorical questions in your stories to make your reader think about what might happen next. Use rhetorical questions in your stories to help explain how your characters are feeling. And use rhetorical questions in your dialogue to bring your characters to life.